to erase this one because we are going for the DC equivalent. So we have VCC as a DC source. We have VCC as a DC source. Okay. So we have to also erase these things. Everything we are going to erase here. We have just a simple circuit here, lightweight. And this one is the DC equivalent circuit. What we have fixed bias circuit. So this one's DC equivalent circuit. Why we are erasing? Because we know that these things are going to erase. This also we are going to erase here. Okay, because we are going for DC analysis. We are not going for the SNS. So there is a AC signal. So I am going to escaping because we have one VCC signal, and this is the what? VCC is a DC signal. It may be 25-volt in general practical. You know that. I think we have completed, I think, 1 and 2 practical in our college. So definitely VCC will be 20 volt to 30-volt range is there, or maybe sometimes 15-volt. Okay.
Okay.
So from this concept, we can make some calculations. You can say some current is like this way, and this should be IB because we have one source VCC. We have one source VCC, so IB will be moved from this way, and IC will move from this way. You can say here.
Okay.
Okay. Any problem here? You can.
So collector
And
to base. Okay.
So IB will be moved from in this way, and IC will move in this way. This is the direction movement of IC here. IC will be moved in this way. Okay. This one is the direction of IE, and IB will move in this way. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Are you getting here? So we
Yeah.
can apply. We can apply here. In this case, we can apply here a KVL. You have an idea about KVL? So here from this circuit we can write VCC. We can write VCC equal to, or you can say VCC minus IBRB minus VBE equal to 0. We can write here. This potential we have this one VCC. Here is IB into RB, and here is VBE. So from here to here, because it's grounded now here, so this is going to be a complete circuit here. Hello.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
So yeah, so you can use this one the VCC, and do you know about the KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law? So we can use here VCC minus IBRB minus VB equal to 0. It's going to complete one circuit because this is grounded here. So from this concept you can find your IB. From this concept you can find your IB. And what is the IB? IB is VCC minus VBE divided by RB. Okay. Hello.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
So see,
Okay.
yeah, VC is a constant, VCC also constant, VB is also constant, because when you are going to apply VB, it will be more maybe 0.5 or maybe whatever, but it should be fixed here. So these things also this will also fix. So what IB is what depend on this RB value. Are you getting what I'm saying here? VC is a constant, VB is also constant. So IB will be fixed on based on the RB. What we are choosing the RB, this IB will be fixed because VC will be constant, VCC constant, VB is the constant. VCC constant value, VB also constant value. So both are the constant. So we can write IB is equal to K by RB. We can write this way.
What is it? K, sir? K.
K is the constant value. You can see from this point. Because both are constants, so we can find constant value.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. VBE is actually VBE is also dependent on the RB, right? RB.
Oh, yeah, actually, it depends on, because when you are going to fix a 0.7 volt for yes VB based to emitter current, you are going voltage. Sorry, you are going to fix here. It will suppose we are going to fix this value. So it will be going to be constant here.
Okay.
Actually, it will be changed from this point. If VB changes, definitely this point also going to be changed, no doubt. But this things we are going to making fixed because this means a fixed value. This one also going to be making fixed value. So everything depend on the RB value here.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Actually, I'm
Yeah,
saying here, I'm saying
yeah,
here, where you are going to fix this value because this should not be greater than VCC. You know that very well.
yeah. It can't be.
Yeah. So when this thing's going to be fixed here, so the whole thing's going to be fixed here. It's a constant value. So whole thing
Okay.
is constant. So IB will fix based on the RB.
Yeah, yes, yes.
That's why saying the fixed bias. We are saying fixed bias. So what we are fixing? This base value we are fixing here.
Sir, excuse me, but here are we going to use two external, only one input voltage, right? VCC, VB is something that is from VCC only, right?
What
Two,
are you saying? Just yeah, tell me
I
what
mean,
are you?
VCC
Okay.
is the input voltage,
Yeah.
and VBE is a base emitter voltage. That is also a part of VCC, right?
Yeah. Actually, this is a DC bias voltage. This is a DC voltage. Okay.
Okay.
And this is a bias. Why saying this is because if input voltage is greater than VCC, if input voltage is greater than VCC, then this time transistor becomes in saturation region. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, time is to be because it's going to 2 and 3 minutes. I think it's showing on board here. Okay. Yeah, you can
Okay.
see your 3 minutes is there. So we have to more time because time is already fixed here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, up to this.